Hey guys, it's Anthony here from Garage Stick, and today we'll be installing wheel studs on our Mercedes-Benz race car. Not this one, dummy. The wagon. Come on. So the reason why we're doing this is because we're going to swap out these stock wheels with these crazy, wild, why does this exist lug stud to our version of the lug studs. To go from these wheels to these wheels, we had to do that, and it'll allow us to even put on a spacer in case we want to increase our track width for track days. Because, you know, race car. So, off of the grandma stuff and on with the cool AMG certified big boy things. Let's do it. So you're probably asking why I'm doing this in the parking lot and not in the shop. I was kicked out and now I'm forced to live inside the van, but I won't live in anything that isn't that stylish. So what we're gonna do is swap these wheels out. Here I have my 17 mil. Nothing crazy, our gun's kind of dead right now, so we just gotta do this by hand, kind of do it old school. Crack these guys loose. Wow, that's the chrome plating actually coming off. And these guys are a little rusty. Boom, crack that guy off. And you can see, if I pull one of these lug studs out, they're like these big, weird, extendy boys. So it's like, why Mercedes? Why would you create something like this? So we're gonna convert this thing to wheel studs, make our life a little bit easier, and make it really simple to install our new AMG style wheels. You can cut that. You can cut that. Just gonna leave it there. Just gonna leave it there. Our new AMG style wheels. But first, before I slap these guys on, gotta convert the lug studs. But let's keep on rolling. So the reason obviously we're doing Loctite is because originally these Mercedes didn't have lug studs, so you want to make sure these things don't go anywhere. And when you put them in, I believe the torque for these is going to be 27 foot-pounds. We will go ahead and make sure that we throw these in with the Loctite and torque them to specification.
What color Loctite do you recommend?
Blue Loctite. It doesn't hurt to go with red, but you might regret it later. Kind of like a bad text message. So, always make sure you go blue. So obviously we're gonna go ahead and torque these things in. Got my trusty torque wrench, shout out to Derek. With the front axle, it's always kind of a good idea to have a buddy around so you can step on the brake pedal. That way we make sure that the rotor doesn't move. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna actually probably find like a pole jack because I'm lonely and I have no friends. So, give me 1 second. Trusty. There you have it. Easy peasy, simple as that. We're gonna go ahead and throw the lug nuts on. And it's just like a normal car now. Simple, easy. No crazy, weird lug bolt inventions. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't know why. You know what? I don't design cars. So, I'll just keep on modifying them. Hey man, I gotta put wheel studs on there too. About to make it rain. Trash. Fun fact, sometimes Mercedes wheels like to get stuck. So you can either hit them with the deadbolt hammer or just use all the body power that you have and try to rip it off if it's not rusted on too much. So, getting rid of the trash. Oh. You can cut that. We're gonna cut it. Cut it. Gotta do it for the views, bro. Gotta do it for you guys. Gotta do it for YouTube.
You said views.
Gotta do it for you guys. Gotta do it for YouTube. I didn't say views. Who needs views? Views are overrated.
Well, we're underground over here. If you're watching this, you're in the inn. You're cool.
You're cool, you know.
Yeah.
If you know, you know, and now I know that you know from watching this part of the video.
Yeah.
Bro. All right. Get my new guy over here. He's not ready to go in yet, but you know, gotta be ready. Stay ready, you don't have to get ready. Can you hear Ariana Grande rolling?
I don't think so.
Okay, perfect. Because she's slapping right now. I'm about to sing some lyrics. I'm about to get copyrighted. So with our setup, we have the lug studs like you have seen here, and then the nut separately. So it makes it a little bit easier for you to go ahead and put spacers on and off, and then go ahead and make changes to your wheels setup. Makes it really easy to put these wheels on, I can tell you that much. So, kind of the gist of why we're doing it. All right, so we took the mom track wagon from 0 to hero with the new set of AMG wheels. Now all that's left is to go ahead and go test this thing. It was a lot of fun putting these things on. Really quick, really simple, really easy. So, let's get to it. That's a fun way to go to the grocery store. Hey, where's the key? You gotta give me the key. You can't let me go in here. You can't tempt me with all this fun to go get groceries and not let me go get groceries. Hello? Hey, yo. Hey man, wish me luck. Oh my God. Dude, this thing needs help. What's going on? Help me. Forget that, I'm only going around the parking lot. I pull up next door and the dudes are like, dude, that thing is caged. I'm like, yeah, dude.